What's up? Scooter here. How we doing? I just thought I'd bring you in here. This video's been long overdue. I want to welcome you to the caravan. This is going to be my new studio, office, makerspace, whatever you want to call it. I've had this caravan now for over a month. It's not in its final position outside, and is moving right up. So the front A-frame is going through that fence right there, and it's also got another, I don't know, 3 foot to be moved over sideways. But yeah, anyway, this is going to be my new makerspace, office, whatever you want to call it. I've already ripped out there was a set of bunk beds here, taken those out already. But yeah, the plan for the rest of the day is to try and take all that out, which is the kitchen. In behind the door is a shower and toilet. These cupboards, it's not very clear, hang on. These cupboards here are staying, that fridge is going, that's going, this is all going, taking all this out, that out, this out, taking this out up to here. These boxes and that I'm going to leave all in. These cupboards up the top and that. Same with this side. One is strengthened, 2 storage already built in. These cupboards are staying. Just a little cupboard there. Picked up a bunch of shelves for free a couple of weeks ago. Just another little cupboard with shelves. That side and that side. Just gives me more storage. And yeah, so basically across here is 2 meters. And then the length is front to back is 5, so it gives me a good area to have. The plan is to have shelving here, maybe down this side as well, to put the 3D printers on. Here I'm going to have a table or a workspace of some sort. Across here, my large desk that I've got already is going in this space here with my monitors and main screen on. So yeah, that's the plan. But I need to get it all ripped out first, so I can then, it's a bit lighter to move. And then get on with wiring it up. I need to run data from my server cabinet out here. I need to run electricity out here, and then I need to run all plugs and data points and everything all down here and all around. It has already got wiring in here, but it's not going to be that great for my needs, so I'm going to completely upgrade it. I'm going to put, pop out, I'm going to put all the electrics and data and everything at the top of this cupboard here, so I'll have all my electric and data and everything probably coming through that point there, because I'm going to have to bring it across. I'm probably going to have to hang it from the house across, and then yeah, I'm just going to have it all in here. So yeah, that's a quick overview, quick intro to what I'm doing. It's going to be roughly a series, but this video is going to be more of an intro to this. So yeah, all this is going. The plan is to rip all this carpet up. I think there's laminate underneath it, so that's going to come up as well, and I'm going to lay all new laminate as the plan. Shelving units here, like I've said. Here I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. I may just leave this space open. I've got new office chairs, well, they're second hand, but new ones, and yeah, that's going to be it. I need to get a new window and a new lock for the door, but other than that, yeah, that's the plan. So I've got a Chinesium GoPro up there, which I'm going to use to hopefully time-lapse me tearing this apart as much as I can. And yeah, so you'll see that in a moment, and I'll chat to you at the end. I'll probably jump on the computer and give you a 3-dimensional representation of what I want to do in here. And then yeah, so I'll catch you in a moment. Bye. Welcome back. Here we go. This is what I've done so far. All this is now gone. All out there. So yeah. So yeah, but this is all gone now. Carpet's been pulled up. My chairs, I've just put them there. I was just looking at the electrics. I pulled all the lights down so I can put new ones up. I found the wiring for it, so that was quite good. It's just this cable here running up, so that's good. Pulled the fridge out, taking the water heater out, taking out that was the battery compartment, so I pulled that out. I need to block that up. Those need tidying up. So yeah, that was part one of the teardown. So I've just got to do this end now, which is all this, and then the bathroom here. Tear all that down, so I'll probably do that tomorrow. So yeah, I'll throw a time lapse of that and see you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back. Day two finished. I pulled the kitchen and the bathroom out, so that's all out now outside. So that's that all done, all pulled out. I've left these cupboards in because they are all attached across the ceiling, as you can see here, where I pulled this the sides of the bathroom out. It's ripped the top open, so they may stay there. I'll have to reconfigure my shelving design to go in there a bit better. But yeah, so that's that done. Next thing is to get this moved, get the whole caravan moved into place. As you can see, I have my Google Mini in here today playing music. Camera up there with a short bit of footage because the battery ran out. But yeah, this is coming along nicely. I just got to get it moved into place now, into its final position and get it level. But anyway, let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you the design or plan that I've got for in here. So I'll see you in a minute. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. So here we are in my Fusion 360, where I've been designing up my CaraStudio, sorry. So let me switch on a couple of these. Oh, where's the bodies? Alright, so we've got back. Oh, well, here we go. Backside door, main body, and then we've got turn those off. And then yes, this is pretty much what I've got so far. This is the basic design that I mocked up. This is my caravan that I'm converting. Let me take the door side off so you can see inside. So yeah, this is what I've done so far. So these are the main cabinets that are left in there. As you saw from the video, the fridge was here, there's doors there, and there's a hole there. I haven't put all the ceiling cabinets in because there's nothing I'm really designing that needs to go up that high except for this set of shelving at the back. So this set of shelving at the back is going to be primarily used for my 3D printers for when I move out there. I have the plan of buying at least 2 more printers at the moment that I'm planning on getting. It's Anycubic Formax and a Ender 3 is the plan. But this obviously comes first, this needs to be done. So yeah, that's my shelving. And then I've got my desk. So this the desk frame. Modded all these up. Desk backing and the desktop. So this is my current desk that I've got now, that I'm using, that I'm sat now. Let me turn the back side off so we can get all the way around. So yeah, this is my desk, so it sits in that corner quite nicely. And then on this side I'm planning on putting a worktop to give me another workbench to build stuff on and such like that. So basically I can just turn around and go to it and that. What else? yeah, so that's pretty much the bulk of what I've got so far, and then everything else is pretty much what I'm doing up in this bit is I'm going to have my networking, power, socket. So I'm going to have all my network and everything come down in through the roof into here. So that's that. And then we've got fuse box, so fuse box there. So I'm going to have fuses, so that's my electric, and then everything's going to go out. And then I've got, if I enable all components, show all components. Oh, let me turn these back off so you can see. And turn these bodies on, and then you can see this is what I'm planning on doing. So at the moment, I've designed this to have dado trunking because the sockets and everything sit in it nice and flush and tidy. So here over this bench I've got 5 double sockets and 6 Ethernet ports. Down here by my shelving I've got another double sockets and another 6 Ethernet ports for 3D printers, power. I want to be able to have a UPS system and everything down there. And then underneath my desk I have got 12 Ethernet ports and 5 double sockets, which I don't think is enough sockets for what I need. But yeah, so that's pretty much my plan for at the moment. So I've still got, if I put the front side back on and turn this around, what's this one, body 5, there we go. Turn that one off. As you can see, there's quite still a large gap between my desk and the doorway there. I've left all the cupboards along the top here in there for storage. There's no point ripping them out to put more storage in when there's already storage built in. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've got. So I've still got all this space here. For what I don't know yet, I may just put another long workbench there or something, I'm not sure. But total size is 2 meters by 5 meters internally. So that gives me a good 10 square meter floor space. So yeah, that's pretty much the design. That's what I'm doing. So the next thing is to move the caravan into place so I can get it level. And then yeah, it's then electrics, networking. Actually, I may do painting and everything first. As not sure what colours I'm going to do yet. But yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching the first episode. Hope you, if you're new here, subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. And yeah, hit the like button if you liked it and you want to see more. But yeah, this is my design. It's going to evolve in. I've spent the last week on this in between things, and that helps my 3D modeling as well. So yeah, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next episode of CaraStudio. Take care. Bye bye.